Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Bonfire Night. I'm actually recording this after it all because I forgot to earlier. But hope you enjoy it and I'll see you after.
Oh, it's blurry. God's sake, Fern. I think it's better now.
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed it. It wasn't as big as the other years have been. The first one was probably the best, out of all the ones I've done. So I'm going to put my iron brew down. Very nice. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you liked it, cheers. I couldn't do one last year, but because my brother jumped in the way of it, not knowing we were only seeing the first one, the small one, but this was the big one we just saw. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you liked it, cheers, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.